Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. I hope you'll excuse my voice. It's a little bit raspy today. I must be coming down with a cold. Today we have a short video on how to organize canned foods. We've had a lot of company this summer and my cupboards are pretty bare right now, which is perfect for getting them organized. First, I take all of the cans out of the cupboard. I sort them, putting the like items together. I check the dates, putting the outdated ones to the side to donate, use right away, or get rid of. Our food bank takes food up to a year after the expiration date. Now, I personally like to use the food I have within the expiration date, although it is usually just fine for a few months afterwards. Some people even use it for years after the date. You have to choose what you feel comfortable with and go with that. Next, I use a Sharpie to mark the dates on the cans in larger print so I can see them easily. I put the month and the year of the use by date on each can. It is great to have dates stamped on the cans, but even better when you can see them easily. Then I clean the cupboard before putting the cans back. Next, I put the cans back in the cupboard with the latest date in the back and the closest date in the front. I love doing it this way to rotate the cans properly, and I can see exactly what needs to be used right when I open the cupboards. I put some of these cans a little to the side so you can see the different dates, and then I put them back in the row according to the use by date. I try to put fruits in one section of the cupboard, vegetables in their section, soups and broths on the top shelf since I don't use them as much. Beans and miscellaneous also have their own sections. That's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed this simple organizing video. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.